Hello you guys. Welcome back to Cooking with Robert. Today we will be making Turbo's Blizzard Rush. Now first grab a handful of blueberries from Vortexo's local farm. Next grab a blender and place about 20 ice cubes. Then place blueberry flavored Hawaiian punch, and then blueberry syrup. Then mix it all up, and wait until it gets a smooth silky look. Then that's how you know it's done. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this drink. Next up is Warpen's cheese bites.